Well, I think there are sort of three possible ways in which, I mean, there may be more, but there are three obvious ways in which this might have occurred. One is a zoonotic disease overspill from bats, probably, into other species. The second is that there could have been perhaps a designed virus, and the third is that there could have been an accidental leak from a laboratory of something that was taken into the laboratory. Now, I think the evidence is quite against the idea of a designed virus. And you can
intentionally released?
Yes, I mean, the biology of the virus does not look like that, and it would be quite difficult to see that. So I think that's very, very, very unlikely. Mm-hmm. By far the most likely, in my opinion, from all the evidence I've seen, is that this is a zoonotic disease that spread from bats, and the most recent publication suggesting that samples of virus were found in the food market from samples taken in January, which was published a month or so ago, really is in line with that as being the most likely. And if you think about it, there are hundreds of millions of chances for that happening because of the size of the bat population and the way in which that the interaction with other species occurs. Then there's another one, which is, could a sample be taken into a lab and that have leaked out? You can't really answer that biologically. That's not a biological question. It is a security question, and one that the security agencies would need to address. I think it's less likely for all the reasons I've said. I think it's much more likely that this is a zoonotic overspill, and very likely that something like this would happen again in the future.